In this video, we listed the 15 best spy gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name 3-in-1 AI Translator Recorder. The 3-in-1 AI Translator Recorder, such as the Brexink language translator device, is a cutting-edge tool designed for seamless multilingual communication and content capture, ideal for travelers, professionals, and students alike. This versatile device combines real-time translation, audio recording, and transcription capabilities in one compact unit, eliminating the need for multiple gadgets or apps. With support for 140-plus languages, the Brexink translator offers instant two-way translation in various formats including voice, photo, video, and text, making it perfect for meetings, lectures, business trips, and international travel. A standout feature is its no-subscription fee model. Users can enjoy free transcription and translation services without recurring costs. The device functions in online and offline modes, ensuring accessibility even in areas without internet connectivity. Its AI-driven engine delivers highly accurate translations, while the built-in recorder captures high-quality audio that can be transcribed and translated automatically. Product 2. Product name Mini Indoor Hidden Spy Camera. The Mini Indoor Hidden Spy Camera is a compact and discreet surveillance solution ideal for enhancing home security, especially when monitoring pets like cats and dogs. This 4K Wi-Fi home security camera offers ultra-high-definition video quality, capturing crystal-clear footage to ensure nothing goes unnoticed. Its wireless design makes it easy to install and conceal in any indoor setting, from living rooms to pet areas. Equipped with night vision functionality, the camera ensures clear visibility even in low-light conditions, providing round-the-clock monitoring. The motion detection feature adds an extra layer of security by sending real-time alerts to your smartphone whenever movement is detected, perfect for keeping tabs on your furry companions or any unexpected activity at home. This mini spy camera comes with a built-in rechargeable battery, supporting flexible placement without reliance on constant power sources. Product 3. Product name Night Vision Goggles. The Night Vision Goggles, 4K night vision binoculars, are a powerful tool designed for low-light and nighttime observation, making them ideal for camping, wildlife observation, and security monitoring. Equipped with a 3-inch HD screen, these goggles provide clear, real-time viewing in complete darkness. Their 4K video resolution allows for high-definition recording, while the 32GB TF card stores both photos and videos directly on the device, making it easy to revisit your footage. Powered by a 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery, these goggles offer extended usage time, perfect for overnight excursions or extended surveillance tasks. The sleek black finish adds a tactical feel, and the user-friendly interface makes them suitable for both beginners and experienced outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're watching nocturnal wildlife or ensuring perimeter security, these goggles provide reliable, high-quality night vision performance. Product 4. Product name GPS Tracker for Vehicles. A GPS tracker for vehicles is an essential tool for modern vehicle monitoring, offering a comprehensive suite of features designed for both fleet management and family vehicle safety. This device provides real-time location tracking, allowing users to instantly pinpoint where a car, truck, or motorcycle is at any moment. Ideal for business owners managing multiple vehicles or families wanting peace of mind, the GPS tracker enhances security and accountability on the road. Key features include real-time location. Track vehicle movements live from anywhere via a smartphone app or web dashboard. Route history. Review where a vehicle has traveled over a set period, perfect for analyzing travel patterns, verifying delivery routes, or checking your team's driving habits. Speed monitoring. Get alerts when the vehicle exceeds a preset speed limit, helping to encourage safer driving and reduce accident risks. Geofence alerts. Set virtual boundaries around specific areas and receive instant notifications if the vehicle enters or exits those zones. Accident notifications. Some trackers can detect collisions and send immediate alerts, aiding quick response in emergencies. Product 5. Product name Jackson G9 Pro Hidden Camera Detector. The Jackson G9 Pro Hidden Camera Detector is a compact, high-precision anti-surveillance tool designed for individuals who prioritize privacy and security during travel, at home, or in professional environments. Building on a growing interest in portable safety gadgets, much like smartwatches, air purifiers, or multifunctional pocket tools, the G9 Pro aligns with a trend of tech-forward personal protection and convenience devices. This advanced bug detector features vibration and sound alarms, making it ideal for identifying hidden cameras, listening devices, and GPS trackers. Whether staying in hotels, working in sensitive office spaces, or inspecting vehicles, the G9 Pro offers peace of mind by detecting a wide range of concealed electronic threats. Its multi-frequency scanning capability ensures broad compatibility with various spy device technologies. Much like the Ranvu Itza Light Neck Air Conditioner or Cospit Tank T3 Ultra smartwatch mentioned earlier, the Jackson G9 Pro reflects a commitment to portable, user-friendly innovation. Product 6. Product name SpyX/Micro Motion Alarm. The SpyX/Micro Motion Alarm is a compact and entertaining security gadget designed especially for young aspiring spies. As part of the SpyX toy line, this device offers a fun and functional way for kids to protect their belongings, whether it's their room, secret stash, or spy gear. What makes the Micro Motion Alarm particularly engaging is its dual detection system. It can be set to detect either motion or vibration, making it versatile for different mission scenarios. When placed on a door, drawer, or even a backpack, the alarm will activate with a loud alert when movement or disturbance is detected, simulating a real spy-grade security system. It's lightweight and easy to use, ideal for ages 6 and up, and serves as a great entry-level tool for kids building their spy gadget collections. With its sleek design and reliable triggering mechanism, the SpyX Micro Motion Alarm adds an exciting layer of realism and imagination to any child's spy adventures. Product 7. Product name Elphick Microscope. The Elphick Microscope, particularly the EDM4 model, is a highly practical and user-friendly LCD digital coin microscope designed for hobbyists, collectors, and professionals who need precision viewing of small objects. With 1000x magnification, it offers detailed examination of coins, stamps, circuit boards, jewelry, plants, and more. This model features a 4.3-inch LCD display, allowing users to view samples in real time without the need for an eyepiece, which makes it comfortable for extended use. The 8 adjustable LED lights provide customizable illumination, ensuring that every detail is clearly visible under different lighting conditions. Product 8. Product name Secret Service Costume Set. The Secret Service Costume Set, specifically the 6 PCS MIB Agent Costume Accessories, is a fun and versatile cosplay kit designed for fans of spy and secret agent themes. Whether you're channeling the iconic Men in Black, MIB, look or simply aiming to portray a classic Secret Service agent, this set is perfect for all ages, including men, women, and kids. This 6-piece costume set typically includes essential accessories like black sunglasses, giving that mysterious, undercover agent vibe. Earpiece with coiled cord for realistic communication gear look. ID badge and holder, customizable for a personal touch. Necktie, classic black for a clean, polished agent appearance. Toy walkie-talkie or prop microphone, adding to the realism. Badge clip or belt accessory, completes the uniform feel. Product 9. Product name LED Lightup Glasses. LED Lightup Glasses are a bold, futuristic accessory designed for adults who love to stand out at parties, festivals, raves, or cosplay events. These rechargeable glasses feature 7 vibrant colors and 4 dynamic lighting modes: static, flash, slow fade, and smooth transition, giving wearers total control over their glowing look. Their futuristic aesthetic blends seamlessly with themed outfits and tech-inspired costumes, making them a popular choice for concerts, night rides, and sci-fi fans. Comfortably lightweight and USB rechargeable, these glasses are perfect for extended use without needing batteries. Whether you're enhancing your rave gear or lighting up a night cycling trip, These LED glasses add a fun, tech-forward twist to any outing.
Product 10.
Product name Hidden Compartment Coin. The Hidden Compartment Coin, specifically the Covert Compartment US nickel, is a cleverly designed concealment device that looks identical to an ordinary US nickel coin. At first glance, it is indistinguishable from legal tender, making it an ideal tool for discreet storage of tiny items. Crafted with precision, this coin separates into two halves to reveal a small hidden compartment inside. The compartment is often just large enough to hold micro SD cards, rolled-up notes, or similarly sized items. In the context of covert tools or everyday carry, EDC, gadgets, the hidden compartment coin fits seamlessly into a lineup of gear designed for discretion and utility. Like a mini folding knife or compact carabiner cutter, this item serves users who value preparedness, privacy, and clever functionality. It's often used by travelers, security professionals, or anyone who might want to keep sensitive data or emergency info close at hand without attracting attention. Product 11. Product name Digital Voice Activated Recorder. The 64GB Digital Voice Activated Recorder is a versatile audio recording device, offering an impressive 4,552 hours of audio storage capacity, ideal for professionals, students, or anyone in need of high-quality voice recordings. With 3,072 kilobits per second HD dual mic technology, it delivers crystal-clear audio capture, ensuring clear playback for lectures, meetings, interviews, or personal notes. The recorder is equipped with a 64GB TF card, providing ample space for extended recording sessions without the need for constant file management. Key features of this recorder include voice-activated recording, which starts recording automatically when it detects sound, and the ability to play back audio files for easy review. Additionally, the recorder supports A/B repeat functionality, allowing you to loop specific sections of audio for focused listening. It also functions as an MP3 player, offering an all-in-one solution for both recording and listening to music or audio files. This device is compact, portable, and designed to fit seamlessly into various recording environments, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a reliable tool for capturing important audio without hassle. Product 12. Product name JMDK K18 Plus Hidden Camera Detector. The JMDK K18 Plus Hidden Camera Detector is a versatile and portable security tool designed to detect hidden surveillance devices like spy cameras, listening devices, and other types of bugs that may compromise your privacy. Ideal for use in various settings such as homes, offices, hotels, or during travel, this device ensures that your environment is free from unauthorized surveillance. Equipped with advanced detection technology, the K18 Plus functions as a spy camera finder, bug detector, and magnetic field detector, providing comprehensive protection. It is sensitive enough to pick up hidden devices, whether they use radio frequencies or magnetic fields for transmission. The device also detects the presence of infrared signals typically used in surveillance cameras, ensuring thorough coverage. Its portable design makes it easy to carry and use in any location, whether you are checking for hidden devices in a hotel room while traveling or ensuring your office is secure from eavesdropping. Product 13. Product name Endoscope Camera with Light. The endoscope camera with light is a versatile and practical gadget designed for inspections and troubleshooting in hard-to-reach areas. It features a 1080p HD camera that provides clear and high-resolution imagery, ensuring that users can easily view detailed visuals of pipes, walls, engines, and other enclosed spaces. The camera is equipped with 8 adjustable LED lights, allowing for optimal illumination even in dark or low-light environments. With a 16.4 feet semi-rigid snake camera, this tool offers excellent flexibility, making it easier to maneuver through narrow passages. The IP67 waterproof rating ensures that the camera can withstand water and dust, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Its 4.3-inch screen provides a real-time display, so users can instantly view the footage from the endoscope. Product 14. Product name SpyXMicrootion Periscope. The SpyXMicrootion Periscope is a portable spy toy gadget designed for kids who love role-playing and adventure. This compact device offers an exciting way for young spies to see around corners or peek over walls, adding an element of fun to their imaginative play. The Micro Periscope features two models that can transform from a periscope into a telescope, enhancing its versatility. Its pocket-sized design makes it easy for kids to carry around, and it's a perfect addition to any spy-themed role-play. Whether used for secret missions, exploration, or just for fun, the SpyX Micro Periscope encourages creativity and pretend play, making it an excellent gadget for children who enjoy using their imagination to create their own spy world. Product 15. Product name 9-in-1 Multitool Pen. The 9-in-1 Multitool Pen is a versatile and practical gift, making it an excellent choice for Father's Day or any special occasion. Ideal for dads, grandpas, or any man who has everything, this multi-tool pen combines multiple functions into one compact design. It includes a variety of useful tools such as a screwdriver, bottle opener, ruler, stylus, level, and more, all cleverly packed into a sleek, portable pen. This multi-tool is especially fitting for fathers and grandfathers who enjoy gadgets or need practical tools for everyday tasks. It serves as an all-in-one solution for small fixes around the house, office, or on the go. The multi-tool pen is an excellent gift choice from daughters, sons, or wives looking for something functional yet thoughtful. It's also a great gift for men who appreciate unique and handy items that make life easier.